MasterMind Institute of Studies is happy to announce the launch of Wealth Management course, which includes a valuable certificate which will be offered at the end of the program. So let's ask the mastermind behind this what includes in this program.
Yes, we have included 4 very interesting and practical 4 models in this course. Model 1 is Managing Personal Finance. So in this model, we discuss about your personal incomes and expenditures. Especially when we are having a financial goal, we have to have an objective. How do we have an objective? And especially to identify what are your income sources and your expenses, and managing your personal cash flows and family cash flows is very important. A lot of people forget when the time keeps going on. That's a very important one. We'll be speaking in Model 1. Model 2 includes stock market. As you well know, in our MasterMind YouTube channel, we have educated a lot of people about the stock market and value investing. So the Model 2, in addition to stock market, we speak about gold investments. In addition, in these times especially, it's always good to have some US dollars in your reserves. In addition, real estate. Now when we talk about inflation, everything is going up in prices. So when everything is going up, don't forget, if you're in the right assets, those asset value also will increase. So Model 2 is about stock market, gold, real estate, USD assets, and the investment tools. So Model 3 includes how to survive in hyperinflation situations. So the first thing that we should do is to identify all your monthly expenses. Then we look at your income sources. Then we have to see whether our expenses are exceeding our monthly income. If it's exceeding, we have to be very careful, because after 2, 3, 4, 6 months, 1 year goes, this person from the lower middle income category can fall to the poverty level. That is, we have seen in several countries as well. So we are going to teach everybody on how to survive in hyperinflation, and countries which faced hyperinflation, how they survived in those situations. So in this model, we also teach on how to have a SWOT analysis of your own strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and how to build new income sources from your talents, right? So we'll be teaching in this model about your new income sources as well. Then Model 4 includes the best model in this course, which other courses are not offering. That is a private consultation on managing your personal finance, your investment and retirement plan, in addition to the financials of the family. So this will be a one-to-one session where individually a tailor-made model will be developed for each participant in this course.
Also, can we know how the classes will be conducted in this program?
Yes, so classes will be held every Sunday from 9 to 11 a.m. and a repeat also will be done on Wednesday at 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And the classes will be done through Zoom, and also a valuable certificate will be awarded at a graduation ceremony held in a hotel, for everybody could participate live and even talk to me further on their financials. Warren Buffett once said, the best investment that you can do is in yourself. So what does it mean? We have a bath, we dress fancy clothing and take care of ourselves. So like that, we have to educate ourselves. If you educate yourself, you will learn more and you will earn more.
Indeed, this is going to be a very valuable program. So for registration, all you have to do is call Mastermind Hotline on 076 5678 784 or drop them a WhatsApp message on the same number 076 5678 784.